cast iron skillet pizza. So the sausage gotta go in first. You just gotta split the casing open, a little olive oil to get the gang going. Break this up a little bit and brown it up. Now for our no-cook tomato sauce. But we're gonna use one 14-ounce can of any type of tomato. I love tomato paste in a tube. A little or a lot of garlic, a fat drizzle of olive oil, salt, a little pinch of sugar, about a teaspoon of oregano, and a little basil. So I already have my cast iron skillet getting nice and hot. So this is how I roll. I make my own pizza dough and keep it in the freezer. Also really clever, you can stop by your local pizzeria. They'll sell you their dough. A little bit of cornmeal into our hot skillet. In goes your dough, and you want it to come up to the sides. Our spicy sauce. Here's our sausage. Mozzarella, just the stuff right in the sack. Then we're gonna hit it with pecorino, tangy, salty goodness. Okay, oh yeah, that's comfortable. Yeah, honestly, it's in there like 10, 12 minutes. Look at that sucker. Come on. What? Gorgeous. Okay, honey, the lighter the color, the lighter the flavor. Now we're going to add Calabrian chili paste, and I'm gonna swirl that together. Now we're gonna drizzle this all over that. A little torn basil, so pretty. Anyway, that's too pretty to cut, so that's your 30-minute meal.